Welcome to Bokecrochet YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a crochet ribbon. The crochet ribbon that I'm working on is for a short that I'm going to make. To start, we are going to go ahead and leave about 2 to 3 inches of tail yarn. Make a slip knot. Make a chain of 21 stitches. At the end of the 21st chain, that's how my chain looks like. Skip the first chain from the hook and start working on the second chain. On the second chain, insert hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop and draw through the loop on the hook. Insert hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop and draw through the loop on the hook. Insert hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop through the loop that is on the hook. On the first row, we are going to go ahead and continue to make a slip stitch all the way to the end of the chain. On the second row, which is also the returning row, we are going to work it a little bit differently. On the second row all the way to the end of the project, we are going to work on the back loop stitch only. Because the stitch that I'm going to work on is a short stitch, I will not skip the first stitch and I will not chain at the beginning of the row. Yarn over, insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop to have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop to have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop to have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops on the hook. Continue to work like that all the way to the end of the row, and once we get to the end of the row, we are going to turn our work and repeat the same thing. So for the entire project, that's how we are going to work on our single crochet. If you have watched me up to this level, thank you. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome and show your support by subscribing. If you have already subscribed to this channel, thank you. Click on the next video or link to see the next project that I will make using this crochet ribbon. For a complete design of this short, continue to watch the series that I will pin in the description box as it becomes available. Thank you for watching Bokecrochet YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave me a comment down below. For more information, check me out bokecrochet.com.